Principles, an educational and interactive talk show that brings together best school leaders of the country. I'm your host Seema Choria, and I bring to you yet another exciting episode on Great Principles. Today we have an iconic figure from the world of Indian academia. She is someone who is breaking the shackles of traditional pedagogy. She wholeheartedly supports and executes the new application-based pedagogy, which is the opposite of rote method we are also very aware of. She is of the opinion that rote method was detrimental to a child and we must find a learning approach that creates a win-win situation for everyone. The school, teachers, students, and parents. This is what 21st century pedagogy aims to develop skills and knowledge students need to succeed in work, life, and citizenship. Let us all learn how can this 21st century skills be developed. Today we have with us Dr. Neeta Kolhi, Principal, Delhi City School, Rohini.